I didn't put this Mickey Mouse shirt on for nothing. You're watching this video. It's been raining all day here in Las Vegas, so I decided to do something completely different. You noticed that I've got some Disney videos in my channel. I take my family to Disneyland a lot, Legoland and all those. So Disney shares the official Dole Whip recipe to help with, Corona outbreak, shut down, quarantine, so people can make something fun, uplifting and positive and bring some happiness into their homes. So we're gonna do this recipe right now. Disney Dole Whip recipe. So for this recipe, we need a big scoop of ice cream. We need 4 ounces of pineapple juice, 2 cups of frozen pineapple, and let's make it work. I'm going to use this brand of mangoes, frozen mangoes. This is the ice cream I'm using. The pineapple juice. Alright, let's get it going. Throw these mangoes in. Alrighty. About 4 ounces of juice. Should do it. Says a big scoop of ice cream. I can definitely do that. I'm gonna do 2, just because, and I'm doing this all by myself, so bear with me. I'll do 2. I kind of want to put another one. I'll put another one because I feel like it, All right, let's blend this up, see what happens. Alright, I'm gonna pour this baby out right into this little cup here. I didn't wear this Mickey Mouse shirt for nothing, okay? We're gonna get to the bottom of this thing. Alright, that's what it looks like, okay? Look at that. Look at that. Okay. What kind of Mickey Mouse shirt is going to try this thing, okay? See how it turned out. Haha, feel better already. I forgot all about coronavirus. Make it. Takes 2 minutes. Make it. Share it with your family. It's a beautiful thing. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.